Hello students, so today we'll see interfacing of LED with Arduino. In this we are going to interface an LED with Arduino Nano microcontroller. In this the LED will blink on and off for 1 second interval. This is one of the most basic and beginner friendly projects to understand the Arduino Nano digital output. Here we use some basic components which is required for this interfacing. First one is Arduino Nano, then LED, then resistor, then breadboard and jumper wires. How the interfacing will works? Firstly, we have set the Arduino pin D5 as the output pin. The pin 5 is become active high, then current flows through LED via resistor and it glows the LED. And when the pin 5 is low, then no current flows through the LED and LED turns off. Here there are some key points that we have to remember. First, we have to know about LED and its polarity. LED is basically light emitting diode. It has two terminals, anode and cathode. Long leg is anode and short leg is cathode, that is negative. Here we use resistor to limit the current and protect the LED from burning out, and any digital output pin like D5 can control the LEDs. So you can use different pin also to turn on and off the LED. Then look at the circuit diagram. This is Arduino Nano microcontroller which is 40 pin IC. We have chosen the D5 pin to turn the LED on. So from D5 we connected wires to resistor, then from resistor to anode of LED, and cathode of LED is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino Nano. This is our connection. Then we will try to understand the code required for this LED on off. Firstly, we require two loops, setup and loop. In setup we have declared the pin 5 as output pin, and in loop we disregard the pin 5 high, so it sended high signal to pin number 5. Then wait for 1 second, delay 1000. Then again disregard 5 comma low, so sended the low signal to pin number 5 and then wait for 1 second again. So this code will turn the LED on and off like blinking the LED for 1 second. There has been some tips for you. You can change the value of delay to make the LED blink faster or slower. It depends on your requirement. Instead of D5 you can use different pins, and you can control multiple LED also. So to execute, first we have to write the code in Arduino. So I will minimize this and open the Arduino. Then take a new file and write the code. So I have written the code, then save that code, verified it, then go in the tools, check the board, Arduino Nano, select the COM port and then upload the code and connect the USB pin to the laptop or computer to the microcontroller. So I will do the connections on breadboard and show to you. So I have done the connections on breadboard. The D5 pin of Arduino Nano is connected to the resistor. From resistor to the anode of LED, and from cathode of LED to the ground pin of Arduino Nano. Now we will download the code and see the result. See, LED is blinking. Thank you.